Okay guys, so join me as we rate and review Barbeque Nation here in Abu Dhabi. And guys, so welcome back to my channel. So we are at Barbeque Nation. So it's an Indian restaurant buffet. So tingnan natin what they have to offer and I'll give my review later on. Barbeque Nation was founded in 2006 and currently operates 138 outlets in India and 5 outlets in the UAE, Malaysia, and Oman. Barbeque Nation pioneered the concept of tabled barbecue, live grilled, embedded in the dining tables, allowing guests to grill their own barbecue right at their tables. Due to the pandemic and to maintain safety, for now you may order the pre-grilled meat, vegetables, and more vegetarian and non-vegetarian options delivered in your table, to your heart's content, or I may say, whatever your stomach can handle, as it is all you can eat. Barbeque Nation restaurants typically offers customers at least 5 vegetarian and 5 non-vegetarian, largely pre-cooked appetizers they can season and barbecue on a grill embedded in their table, and all-you-can-eat main course buffets and selections of desserts. Guys, it is best to contact the branch of your choice to reserve a table for you not to wait in line when you reach the restaurant. Okay, so this is mint, mango, and what's the other one? Garlic mayo, I think. And they give you guys a griller here, so they place all the meat of your choices. So all you can eat for how much now? 74 dirhams. So let's say 1,200 pesos. So because of the pandemic, so even though it's a buffet, dapat pupunta ka doon to get your food, but the waiters bring all the dishes in your table. So ito yung mag-grill tables nila. So, and meron silang chicken, shrimp, tapos I think this is fish. At mainit, so yung gagawin yung ginawa ko na hinawakan ko. So, it's preheated already, and for you to enjoy the most, all you can eat. Pag naubos nyo na, then you call them for a next batch of grilled meats and vegetables and seafood that you like.
Beef stick.
Beef stick.
Sir, do you have this paneer?
Which one paneer? One the
Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in my next videos. Maraming salamat po and keep on smiling. Bye! God bless!